it is. There, okay. Can you see my replet only?
Yes, yes,
also...
I can see your, yeah.
Can you see the problem here?
Yes, I can see it. Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah, so right here, there you go. Here, there. So you told me to use the second component, either the formula or
Yes,
one, whichever
exactly.
value is greater. So I just use maximum so that it will take whichever value is greater.
Okay. So where did you get the first component?
The sum of the points for the letters in the word. So this is what I did for the first component.
Uh-huh. Interesting. And then why you need to sum on line 539, you're returning letter sum multiplied by second component. Am I right?
Yeah. Here you said, there you go. There you go. The score for a word is the product of the two components.
Okay, interesting.
So
okay,
yeah.
Totally fine. Yeah. Okay, I understand what you did. So if you don't mind, please. So you have 3 files. You didn't use the word so far. So I would recommend you, please, you copy your code to be used inside the ps3.py file and run that on idle.
Okay, wait. Okay, so let's go back here.
You have to get all the files. You already get it somehow.
Yeah.
It's already,
sorry.
downloaded.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay, I have it here. I don't know if you can you see it? Can you see the
No, I
files?
can't see the files, but once you extract the zip file, so you will find 3 files at the same place.
Every time I open it, it just closes. When I open, yeah, I have the 3 files here. So when I open the PS3,
can you share with me?
Yeah, it blinks for a quick second, then okay, let me share my entire screen here. Screen 2. Yeah, screen 2. Okay. So I have the file here on another screen. Can you see?
Yep. Yes, I can
So I
see
have
it
here.
now.
So when I open it.
Yeah, but did you extract the whole file, the zip file itself? Did you take it? I mean,
this is okay, right? I can just open it.
I mean, okay, where is the down? Can you go to the download folder, please?
Okay.
Okay. So which one is the one you? So both of them is compressed. You can't deal with the compressed file. So you have to. Yep.
I see.
Okay. Now I want you to yellow.
Open it now.
Now, no. Open the test.p3 first. Right click. No, you don't do that. You have to right click. And you have to open with yes, exactly.
Python?
Yes.
Same thing happens. It just closes. It opens for a second.
Can you open idle?
Okay.
Can you open the idle? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So from the idle, say, open.
And then let's find.
You go to downloads.
Where is this? Okay, downloads. And then this one. And then you want test, right?
Yes. Okay, that's so you have to press run, which is control F5, I believe, or even F5.
Yeah.
Okay, so please go up. I want you to go up and see. So okay, so do you see here get word score? This is the function that you are testing. So this test file, this is done for you. You don't have to do anything there, and you don't even have to understand it now. So this test word score, call your function defined that you already created in the replet, okay, and you didn't copy yet. So it calls, since there is no implementation on your side yet, so it calls it and it tests it for predefined values. And since you did not really implement anything yet in this definition, so it fails. All the test fails. So if you implemented the function correct, we will not see failure like that. So he
Okay.
will pass you certain input, and then he will compare the output to what he already know from before. So, okay, now since we already run the test underscore p3, let us go to the file that's called p3, ps3, and you
Okay.
edit it.
Should I close this?
You can close this, but leave this one open. So close just only this.
Okay, just close this. Okay.
And you open
Now you want me to open the other one.
yeah.
I think I have to do the same thing. I don't think I can. I just open it like that. Yeah, I will close it simply. Okay. I will open wait, so can I open another? Yeah.
Yes, this one, yes. Okay, so here is here is a dictionary that actually you try to simulate or in the replit, right?
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
okay, this is the load words, so it reads the text file. And this is, we have done something similar before. Can you go down, please? Okay, so go totally down, please. Just at the end of the file. So at the end of the file, you will see that we do the last two lines in the code. Can you please look at them?
Okay.
So yes, exactly. So this word list load words. So it will load the text file inside the dictionary, and it will save the dictionary in a word list. Okay, so this is the first thing that is done. Can you please try to search get word score function here? Get word score.
Search
Go up.
Control H or
yeah, possible. Yeah. No. Control H is replacing. Control F, maybe.
Okay. Control F. Okay.
Yeah.
You wanted me to search?
Yes. Right. Get underscore word score. Get underscore word. Word.
Score.
Yeah. Word only. Yeah. Underscore score. Yes. Fine. Next. Okay. So this is the entry that you actually suppose you put your definition under it. Okay. So here he put for you an explanation what you should do. Can you go down, please? So, okay, this does not have any code. So it only has the word pass. So every time you try to test this by calling it, so it will fail because this function is taking input, but it's producing no output. It just uses pass. So you need to copy the code that you created in Replit and you put it under it. So this means that now you're creating a definition for the get word score.
Okay, so I want to be using this instead of Replit. I want to be using ID.
Yes, in this case, because you have a test file and then you need to call from.
Bring this here like that. Okay. And then now my Replit get word score. Okay. So I put it until here. And I replace all of this.
Even pass also here.
Oh. All the way here.
Yes. Just make sure that your indentation is correct, because that will create horrible errors. Yeah.
Oh wait, let's bring this. That. Okay, that is correct, right?
You should follow the same indentation like this, or even here. So you see.
Yeah. It is the same, right?
I think a little bit. No, it's not.
Let me see. Oh, it's supposed to be like this.
Yeah, possible. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, and then
okay.
I should move this.
So you should save.
Okay.
And then you should go and run this test again. So if your function is correct, the test will work.
Is there a way to remove this border?
No.
Because on my screen there is this border that's blocking the top.
Oh, really?
Here. Yeah, there's a big box here with the sharing screen
Put it
items.
down. Just move it,
Yeah.
move. It can respond to your movement and put it at the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
Yes,
Put
it's
it on the other
painful.
monitor. Okay.
Yes, it's painful.
Okay. Now I can see. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Now, so just do Control F5 in, yeah,
Oh, F5.
yes, in the test
Okay.
PS3, not on, yeah, no, not this.
Oh, this one. In the
Yes,
test.
yes. So it fails. Somehow it fails. Why? Can you read the error and tell me what is the issue here?
Name error. Letter values not identified. Oh,
Why is that?
I use letter values. Yeah. Letter values was the dictionary I made
Okay,
in the Python.
okay. And then
So what dictionary do they use? They use here frequent. No, wait, which is the dictionary they use in this for this? Is a dictionary I made somewhere here? I don't think it's this file.
it's
It's only
this
this one.
file does not have, it's only testing.
Yeah.
So here,
Oh, the Scrabble letter values is this dictionary here. Okay. So I just take this and replace. Where was my? Where was my? There you go. And I replace this. Well, this version is much harder to read than Replit,
yes,
right?
definitely, yes.
Yeah. I think that was the only time I used that, right? Yeah. Only time I called it, I think. Yeah, let's try
Make
again.
sure you save first. If you don't
Oh,
save,
yeah.
it's not reflected. Yeah.
Yeah. Oops.
Control S done.
Yeah. Okay, done.
Okay, run
Yeah.
again. Interesting. So if you go up here, then you find that you have a success. So I mean, okay, here you have a success. Where is the success here?
Failure. Oh,
This is,
here.
I mean, this is a testing for
Success.
all the second problem and third problem and so on, but this is not implemented by you yet.
Oh,
So,
I
but
see.
our case, we only worry about the test score. So
I
now it
see.
is success. If you compare it before, it was failure.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now it is okay. It means that your code is correct,
Okay, I
which
see.
is excellent. Is it?
Yeah,
Is it excellent?
it is very excellent.
Really? Okay, that's good. Then, yeah. So I will pass you a file that which is interesting. So just allow me to pass your file to your WhatsApp. So
Okay.
I'm giving you an exercise that actually related to Lenovo. So since you are
Oh,
working in Lenovo at the moment, so it is actually interesting that you are able to handle the stock of the laptops in Lenovo. So this is exactly the same concept that we have taken so far. So it means that you will have a dictionary that take care of the stock of the laptops in Lenovo. And then when somebody do a purchase, you need to update the stock. Okay, definitely if you sell a laptop, you need to reflect that in the stock. So if you have 10 stock from a certain laptop like ThinkPad, so if somebody purchase 2 ThinkPad laptops, you're supposed to update your stock to reflect that, so that
right.
any new salesperson comes in, or even somebody in different shift, then he will not be selling a laptop that you don't have in the stock. So open this and read the initial code and read the initial dictionaries and tell me how can we handle this kind of. Did you open?
Okay. Oh yeah, you can't see my Google on my
Yeah.
share
Okay,
screen?
now I see it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have
So you need to implement this function that is called
where
update stock.
yeah. Do I do this in Replit?
Yes, you can do it in Replit.
Okay. So okay. So should I close these
Yes, you can
files?
close. Yes.
All right. Okay. So okay, this makes sense. So I need to okay. So yeah, I create the stock and then purchases. So I need to then update stock. I to just add to the dictionary. Okay. Let me bring this side. So should I get rid of this code or should I
Yes,
leave
you
it in?
can. You can. You want to leave it? Leave it. You want to comment? It's fine. Totally fine.
Okay. Wait, how come I can't comment? There we go. Okay. Okay, so this is the initial stock. I'll write it down here. Go down here. Oh, this is very similar to what, because sometimes I'll do the stock checking in the office.
You need to.
Very
You do
similar.
it manually.
Yeah, like I will check the stock manually and then I will change the Excel file.
Hmm.
Then, oh, I forgot commerce. Hmm. Make sure there's no errors first. Okay, now let me print out this stuff. Okay. Wait, let me change this. Okay. Okay. Yes, correct. That works well. Purchases. The output X1 used. Mhm. Okay, I see.
Any issue?
No, I'm just reading on the thing. I'm looking at the output so I know how I need to write my code. Okay.
So what is your plan for the code?
Okay, do you need me to make it into methods? No, right? I'm not making a menu or anything. I'm just
No, no
entering.
menu. Just,
Oh, okay.
yeah, no menu. Just
So
make a
then,
function. And so as
isn't
you
it
see that
just
I have given you in the code a test case. So the test case, so the last two pages, okay? So
yeah.
it is written a test case. So it give you a stock, and it give you the purchases, and it show you how you print the function. So you print update stock, and you pass it the stock and the purchases, and we need to see the expected output. That's
Hmm. Mhm. Okay, well, I mean, it's really just.
Mhm.
Oh, this is update stock. Okay, so I need to do my update stock above this. Oh wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Update stock and then stock is here. Okay, well, this obviously won't work now. Let's scroll up. Okay, there you go. Def update stock. Update the stock based on purchase item stock dictionary. Okay, so we make it up here.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I need to take.
What is the logic that you
Okay.
think would be suitable here?
I think I need to use for
Okay.
should I say
Follow. Mhm.
for laptop for my model.
Okay.
I do for model
Mhm.
in and then I use purchases like that. So make
Mhm.
a loop like that. And then um I want to check if this model is in the stock. So if model in stock, then we do so then we call the specific model which is -1.
Mhm.
Um yeah, right. -1. That should uh But then no, that will work, right? Let's see. I think that will work. Then I need to just return stop.
Okay.
That should work.
Let me see.
Right? Oh, wait, which did I not close? Oh, right. Okay.
Is that correct?
No. No, that's wrong.
Why not? What is the issue?
I mean, my purchases aren't being minus. My purchases are not. Okay, wait. It should give me 8, 5, 6, 2. That's what I want. But it's not changing, so it's just stop. Okay. Okay.
What is the issue then in your code? Means that you are not really changing something.
Yeah.
So how we test, how we try to debug the code if there is a problem?
Okay, wait. First, let me print. Let me print here. I want to print what? I want to print this. I want to print this.
Okay. It doesn't print anything, does it?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
So, okay, if it doesn't print inside the if, then go and put a print statement outside the if to see, did you even run the loop itself?
Did I even run the loop?
It seems that you run the loop and it printed something. And the first thing inside the loop is ThinkPad, and you printed it one time.
Good. That's good.
A little bit good, yes, but why we didn't print the remaining of the code?
Why we didn't print the
Other models?
Very good question. Why we didn't? It means that. I mean, for this to print nothing, that means this didn't even run.
Excellent. Okay, excellent.
But it's here. But this model is here. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Is that the issue?
A text will not be the issue, definitely, but okay.
Okay. It was the issue for this part because it was ThinkPad with a lowercase p here.
Okay,
so,
interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you printed some. So the if statement managed to print something.
Okay.
Which excellent.
So it worked, but it only works for one. It didn't go through all.
Yes. Okay.
Now, why it didn't go through all? It's a big question. Big question.
Because there is a line in your code that was not put is correct. So a line before line or line in the correct not in the correct place, it will cause this. So yeah.
Do I have a line in the not correct?
Yes, definitely. Yes. Or else why you think
Oh no. So my lines are correct. It's just my lines are in the wrong place.
It could be in the wrong place, wrong order, wrong
Oh my
order.
God. My return statement has to be here.
Okay.
Oh my God. All because of the one return statement.
Yeah, it returned back early after the first first,
Yeah, yeah.
first time it runs the
I
loop,
put,
just go the
yeah,
return,
it
go back home
returns.
fast.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Silly mistake.
Now, did you manage to reduce? Yes, you
Yeah.
managed to reduce. Okay. So what if we want not to touch the original stock, which means
Okay.
that um, the original stock that you give, um, you don't touch it.
Okay, so like I don't change the input. I keep it the same.
Yes. How we can do that?
Okay, but do you still want me to save it? Like where?
Yeah, at the moment, you are not saving it, you're just printing it. So it's totally fine if you just maybe take a copy from the original stock and then modify on the copy, update the stock on the copy. So, okay, let me, if you are using an Excel sheet, do you take
Okay.
backup copies from your Excel sheet? So
I
on a
mean,
daily
yeah.
basis, before you update, do you take backup copies from?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Okay, so we want to do that here. By doing so, we are not touching the original stock, because once you change, I mean, Excel file is a digital file. Once you change it, you are not able to trace back anything. If somebody do something wrong, so it means that we can never know what was the original stock there that somebody
I
changed.
see. So like now when I print the stock, now this dictionary is changed.
Yes.
So you want the dictionary to stay the same. Okay.
Yep. We want the
Okay.
original digital copy of the stock to be available for verification. So how
Okay.
can we make a copy from this stock before we start to edit it?
Okay. So I just want to, oh, okay, it's simple, right?
It can be simple if you know what you're doing.
If all I need to do is make sure that stock is not returned, right?
Really? Okay, we can, yeah. Well,
If I, let's say I create a clone here.
okay, how you
So if
create a
I
clone?
say, if I want to return, um, um, okay, let's say I say, oh, okay. Um, let's say I create an updated stock.
Okay, interesting.
Update, come back. Okay, hey, I'm pressing shift. Why is it enter? Okay, stop. Equals stock.
Don't use copy, because we
Sorry.
didn't take copy. Okay,
Wait,
so
what do you mean?
okay, so if what you are doing here, you're going to use the copy method, but we didn't take it. So don't use the copy method.
Oh, well, I mean, will this not work by itself?
Uh, okay, you can try. Why not?
Then if I just do return updated stock, why is it entering every time I, okay.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's not, no. Oh, because this is equal stock, so it's just still the same stock.
Yes. So okay, structures. Okay, let me explain this, please. So there is something called heap inside the memory. All your variables, that is integer or string or decimal point, like double, for example. So all these are stored in an area in the memory. But data structure, like a dictionary and a list, are stored in areas in the memory that's called heap. So when you are copying one variable to another, we are not dealing with the content of the stock itself, but you are passing the address in the memory where stock is actually stored. So you are passing the address of the stock, not the content of the stock. This is the content of the stock. We are not passing the content. We are passing the address of the stock to the address of the updated stock. So at the end, you find that stock here and updated are pointing both to the same memory address here.
Right. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So I don't do this.
You have to find a way to really make another copy without actually passing just the memory address.
I have no clue.
No clue, totally no clue.
Wait. Hmm. What if I use items? Dot items.
Yeah, why not? Try it.
Okay, first let me go here and let me see print this. I need to print this. Then I need this, correct? Yeah. Oh, I just leave it as software. And don't print this. Okay. So that gives me, okay, that's good. And then, yeah, it separates the key and values into thing. So if I use my, like, if I do something like this, if I do, if I do for, if I use this for model, and then let's say, what should I call this? Stock. I better not use stock again. Maybe frequency. In stock items. Can I just copy this? Now, actually, can I just print this? Yeah, let me take this and put it here. And then put this. I just want to see what. I want to know what happens. And then I just change this to stop. Oh yeah, I can't.
We do not put the for loop. You started to forget. You started to forget the for loop. Can you search on your previous code, please? Old code for how the for loop is done for this dictionary. I think the last class before you traveled, you have done something similar using for loops with items.
You mean, yeah, I remember. This is like not helping me at all. There, like this. Yeah, I'm trying to do something like, I'm trying to do this.
Okay, then look how it works. So you put the for loop not in a statement that got assignment. You got it. You put it just on in a
Yeah.
separate
Oh,
line.
yeah. I need Okay, I see. Okay. Yeah. I understand. Okay. I need. Okay. Yeah, but like, let's say I just have. Let's say I don't put this here. Put this here. This will go through. Um. Right, so I need this.
It will, but
So
you are not putting the complete for loop.
and like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it won't. I'm not completing it, but this will.
Yeah, they don't accept. They don't
Yeah, they
accept
don't
that you
accept
create a.
just.
Yeah,
Yeah.
your loop
Yeah.
must have something inside to execute.
Yeah. I'm still thinking. I mean, but this will iterate through every pair, right? It will go through
Excellent.
every
Yes,
pair and
correct.
separate it into a model and frequency. Right?
Yeah, it will separate it into a key and value. Yes,
Yeah,
true.
key and value. Okay. Yeah, then the model will be all the ThinkPad, and then frequency will be all the 10. Okay. So now, for now, I just need to create a new dictionary here. Um, hmm. Okay. So I just want to create a dictionary that uses model and frequency, right? So then don't I just do model um like that? Um re- like this, like that? I don't think is gonna work.
No, it is
Wait,
not. So
we
look,
trial and
yeah, okay. My advice, search for dot items again in your previous code. Dot items. I believe no,
I,
no, that
I
will
just want
not.
to know
uh,
what happens. I'm just trying to get it to turn into what happens. Does it even work? Does it even okay. Uh, this makes no. Why does it give me?
because
This is the
what you
last.
did at the moment, just let me
Yeah.
explain that. This
Okay.
is kind of you created a dictionary, a
Yeah.
single dictionary. Every time you do the loop, you will take these two pairs, key and value, you put it in a dictionary and you put it here.
Right.
So why it is printing Yuga and Slim only, right? It's only
Okay.
printed. Where is Yuga? Yeah. So this is the last uh, key and value
Right.
inside
Yeah.
your. So that's why it's printing it. So every time you loop, you will take these two,
Right.
put it inside update. But
So
hmm,
don't I want this to be in the for loop?
Yes, but not in the way that you're doing it. Yes, I mean the components is correct, but you totally forgot about how we store something inside the dictionary, or have we put, I mean, what you are putting here, the information is there, but the way you put the information is totally wrong. Because you are treating now that this is a dictionary that only have 2 items with a key. This is a key, this is a value.
Okay. So what if I make updated stock and then I just add the okay. What if I do this and make it a dictionary, right?
Fine. Okay.
And then what if I edit the way that we learn normally how to edit? Which is like this. Like that. And then equals like that.
Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, you can try to print and see.
Aha. So if I now just take this, cut it, and put it here. And then, yeah, and then just make it do that. And then uncomment this and get rid of that. Did that work?
Yes.
And so now if I also print stock, there you go. Then I can say here, want it to be, let's say, updated stock. And then I can put here original. Like that.
I think you are flipping. You are flipping okay. So you are this function here, this update stock, return the updated stock. So you are writing here original stock. But actually, what you are returning from the is updated.
Oh, yeah.
You're reversing.
Okay. Then
and the stock here, suppose this is the original one, and you are putting beside it updated stock.
Yeah, oh yeah.
This is the first issue.
Oh yeah. Why if I am doing this and then calling it here, why is this stock changing and not this?
Because a mistake in your code. You forgot to update. You forgot to update something inside your code.
Oh, okay. This.
Yeah.
And this and this.
Yes.
All of this I want to be using updated stock. I see.
Yes.
I see. Okay. Okay.
Now you
I
got
can.
But still, I mean,
wait.
This is the updated one, and this is the original one.
Yeah, I just need to change my
yes.
And then cut and put here. There we go. Now it should work fine. Okay.
Yes, it should.
Got it in the end.
Okay, but please, we both know very well. We have experienced this a lot. Please make a revision before you come to the next class. Make sure that you revise the previous slides with the dictionary. You totally lost focus once you travel somewhere. I noticed that. So please do it. Okay. I think
Okay,
we
yeah.
need to enter a harsh discussion about that, right? I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
we are both mature enough to just highlight that there is an issue, then you need to fix the issue, and then we will continue peacefully. Can we?
Yeah.
Okay, then okay, let me then yeah, I share the slides, please.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So can you still remember this code? You have written that code before. Can you make sure that you find this code inside the previous code, that previous classes code that you still keep?
Sorry?
Okay. Can you see my slide?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. Now, are you able to tell me what this code is doing?
Okay. Oh, this is the Fibonacci sequence thing, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So it will do the like 0, 1 equals 1, then 1, 1 equals 2, 1, 2 equals 3. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. 3, 5, 8. Yeah. 13.
And
So
so
on,
on.
so on.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. So so it means that to be able to reach this n, we have to make a recursive calls. Am I right? So every n
Yeah.
equals n minus 1 and n minus 2. Am I right? So this is n. If
Yeah.
we pass here 2, so we will call here 1 and 1 what? And 0?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
No, this would be no, this would be 1 and 1.
Really?
Yeah. Because n minus 1, n minus 2.
So n
If
is
the n here is 2, then yeah. Wait. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay, this will give you 0.
okay. So okay, now the most important thing is okay, we have gone through this before, but just the most important thing here that you know that we will call the same function again, but with fib 2 minus 1 equal 1. Am I right? And we will call it here fib 0. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is if we pass 2 here. But if we pass
Yeah.
3,
Then it will be 2 and 1.
okay, here 2 and 1, right?
Yeah.
And then these two will call again two functions, fib what? Fib 1 and fib 0. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, that is truly fine. But okay, just I want you to search. Can you find this code in what you have written before?
Sir, you lagged out. I didn't hear what you said.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Hello?
Yes.
You cut out. I couldn't hear what you
Oh,
said.
really? So
Yeah.
what I'm trying to tell you, I want you to search the fib n if you can
Oh,
find that code in what you wrote before.
okay.
If you find it, then you no need to write it again.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
Okay, that's excellent. So what I want to actually
We
tell
did a
you
lot.
here, so if you write FIP34, you make a lot of calls here. So the first time you make a call here, you will call what? FIP33, and then here you call
32.
FIP32, and both of this will call 2, and this will call another 2. Am I right?
Yeah.
So, and that will be a lot of calls. It's actually more than 34,000 calls just only for this. And this is not so efficient, not efficient at all. So we need to find a way to improve that using a dictionary. So, okay, now let us have a look. So if we call here, let us look again here. We want to find a way to improve this inefficient method that we are creating. Okay, so if we call FIP5, we will call FIP4 and FIP3. Do you know why? This is n minus 1.
Yeah, n minus 1, n minus 2.
Minus 2, okay. And this n minus 1 will call, this 4 will call n minus 1 and n minus 2.
Yeah.
And every one of them will do the same. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you see that FIP5 can make this amount of calls? But as you can see here, this FIP2 and this FIP1, we call it how many times?
Yeah, 3 times and 2 times.
Okay, so here 1, 2, and 3, and here 1 and 2. Am I right?
Yeah.
And this we call it 2 times.
Twice, yeah.
So, okay, if I know upfront, when I call FIP3, if I know what FIP3 will return to me, and then I store it somehow, then when I call it again here, then I no need to go and fetch it and make these 2 calls again, because I know upfront that this FIP3 will return, for example, 4, just for example, okay? So I can, when I call it again here, why I need to make these 2 recursive calls? I know that FIP3 return 4. So every time I call it, it will return 4. So I no need to even go through this. So that will save me time. That will save me some amount of calls, which is an expensive call. So, okay, now let me share with you. Again, if I have these, if I call FIP34, that will result in 11 million recursive calls to the procedure. So if I want to actually create another version of the function, and I want to call it FIP efficient 34. And if I manage to actually do this improvement, I should cut this 11 million calls into only 65 recursive calls.
Yeah.
I want to use dictionaries to do that. And the concept of dictionaries that we have used, it's the one that you used just now. You use it in the Lenovo stock, and you use it also in solving these Scrabble letters. So how actually can you improve this function using a dictionary in a way that before you start calling this FIP, you check if you already called it before? So you need to modify this function in a way that if you run before FIP3, for example, or FIP4, and you have it returned back, you save it in a dictionary. How can you do this?
Okay.
Can you start sharing? I will pass you. The code that you already have it, and just you can start sharing your code.
Okay. sharing now.
So maybe make a copy from the code and start to tell me what can we modify inside the fib. The fib body will still be the same, but we need to just modify it a bit.
Yes, the one that it is supposed to be 1 here and 2 here. Is that correct? That's fine. Okay. No errors.
So no errors because you didn't call the function, am I right? Did you call the function and you pass it any number
no.
for n?
I mean, no, but still there should be no errors, right?
Yeah.
Let's say I call a 5. Errors, and if I print it out, okay, which is correct.
May I ask you something? Can you add a print statement at line 572? Just print the n.
Okay. Like right here?
No, before that line, before that if.
Oh, what? I copy that. Okay.
Run them.
Yeah, there you go. So it goes through every single, just keep.
Until it reach 1 and 0, am I right?
Yeah.
At it reach 1, and then it print 8 at the end.
Yeah. The 8 is printed because of this.
Yes, exactly. Yes,
yeah. So
correct.
until it reaches 1. Yeah.
Can you please mark put some text before the print statement on 580 so that you recognize it from the others one. So just put some text behind your function code. Yeah, here. Yeah.
Okay. Should I put
final result or result or final?
Result.
Yeah.
This, that, space, and okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now I need to make it so that
again, like I told you, can you recognize?
Yeah.
5 is unique, 4 is unique, 3 is not unique because we call n equals 3 2 times here.
Yeah.
And the same goes to 2, 1, and 2, and 2, and 1. Okay?
Yeah.
So how we store that in a dictionary so that when we call if n equals 3, if we call it 1 time here, we store the result, and then we can return back to it and we check it when we call n equals 3 again. So we don't waste our time in memory and computing power to really go for recursive calls a lot like that.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I have another call and I need to actually end the class at the moment. But this is something that you need to think of. But I will still give you another exercise. Okay?
Okay.
So do you know now what you need to do?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then see you next class.
Okay, see you.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.